All right, so we have reflect, absorb, and re-radiate. So what happens, we have our sun right here, and thankfully it's a happy sun. Okay, so the sun emits radiation. All right, so this solar radiation goes out from the sun, and what happens is it keeps going until it hits something. Let's say there's a lake. Okay, so the solar radiation, what it can do is it can hit the lake and bounce off. When it bounces off, that is reflecting or reflection. Okay, that reflection pushes that energy elsewhere. Okay, so for us, that would be like when it bounces off the aluminum foil in our solar oven. That is reflection. Okay, now the other thing that can happen with solar radiation is it can go and it can hit the object and then go into it. Okay, now by going into, it's just being absorbed. Okay, so this is absorption. Okay, it's being absorbed. Now, if it's absorbed, it cannot stay absorbed. It cannot just stay in that object. It will eventually need to be emitted. Okay, now when it is emitted, okay, that emission is called re-radiation. Okay, and that re-radiation, it re-radiates in all directions. Okay, this re-radiation is what will help cook our objects in our solar ovens. Okay, the radiation from the sun hits it and warms it up, but also some of that radiation is absorbed and then is re-emitted. It is re-radiated, increasing the heat inside our solar oven. This is the same thing that helps increase the temperature of Earth. Okay, this is part of how greenhouse gases work. They absorb solar radiation and then they re-emit it. Okay, so that is a brief overview of reflection, absorption, and re-radiation.